Come on, something by the moon right there. See the moon? Something flying right by it. See? It's big and bright. I'll have to see if that's the, what do you call it? Okay, that's basically focused. Is that a satellite or is that space station? I don't know. Not even dark yet either. Not really. A little bit. Yeah, I moved over. Wait. I had to get the tree in there so you can see it moving. Wonder, I have to move back. Oh, damn, mosquitoes are coming around again. Gonna bother the hell out of me. They're landing on me right now, you little peckers. Damn. Okay, there he is. Mosquitoes. I gotta get some of that spray, man. They're landing on my legs, my arms. They don't like me today. Huh. It's flickering. Damn.